Don't get it on your shoes.
Okay.
Can I do it, Megan?
Yeah.
Can you try?
Stop.
Is it edible?
I think it turns into white foam.
Don't eat it.
Turns me.
Do not get that on your clothes, y'all.
I think it turns clear.
It's weird.
How's that fun?
Oh.
Come on. Come on. There.
Did y'all shake it?
No.
See if it does anything when you shake it.
Woo! Don't get me.
Oh, it's a
That's
pump.
Well, let me.
That's it.
Yeah, see, it's turning clear.
Don't let me see.
Did you just eat it? Do you wash your hands with it?
No, no. It says something about staining and stuff.
See, I wrote hi and it's gone. It just dissipates.
Hmm.
It's actually not that pretty cool.
Whatever. That's why Easter Bunny only brought one. Yeah.